Hey, welcome back. Good morning. Another trade recap. I did a trade last week on gold. It was, in my experience, quite a long one because most of my trades are literally done within an hour. Like the previous trade recap I did, that was like 3.5 minutes. This one was actually like 16 hours. So let's go through it step by step and let's start with the key level. As you can see, it was the POC from the 6th of October. It was almost mitigated the next day, but as you might have seen in the Discord or in my explanations, I'm really looking for that liquidity. So where the stop losses are or where the daily lows are, because that means that these key levels are working like a magnet. So let's zoom in because we had a reaction on the key level, and let's do that in the replay mode. So price is moving towards the key level. It was quite a day because gold was actually dropping 700 pips that day. Actually a bit more, but yeah, in this movement it was 700 pips. So it is approaching the key level. Let's do it a little bit faster. Got the candle close here. Ooh, you see already that it's touching the key level. Candle isn't closed yet. Got 2.5 minutes. Let's play it a bit further. Alright, candle is closed. And honestly, we are having here already the complete confirmation list. So we see price moving towards the level. And what I'm looking for is the volume increase. And you can see the increase here. We want to have the delta shift from red to green because I'm looking for a buy. And when I zoom in on the footprint, I am seeing, thanks to the indicator, that I'm having here a 3-0 and a 20-0, which means for me, stacked imbalances. That's already enough for me. I don't mind that there's also a 5-0, 7-0, 5-0. I really want to see the last cluster level and the imbalance just above it. Honestly, we're having here already the full confirmation, and don't stare blindly on the time. My time of trading is literally between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. and I'm on the time of Amsterdam. So for me, it's like I'm still in my daily routine time. I can still enter, and I'm doing that with confidence because I got here my full confirmation. So you enter after the candle close. There you go, candle close. And let's play it forward. Be aware, if you are trading futures, you have to close your trades in the evening. Let's say roughly 10 p.m. My Amsterdam time, or your prop firm will probably close it automatically for you. But nevertheless, I also took it on my FTMO accounts, so I was able to keep these trades open until it eventually was hitting my TP. Like I said, it was a trade that took me like 16 hours, not the usual time I'm having, but it's kind of clear that it was eventually like playing out. On the addition, when you look for the SL and the TP, of course you put the SL just below the low. So in this case, just a little bit. And for the TP, I've mentioned it in the last video and the video before that. I'm looking always towards the information on the chart. And since gold was literally dropping like 700 pips in this movement, I'm not gonna look for like a massive TP. But don't forget, your SL here is already 210 pips. That is insanely big. But I'm still going for my safe TP, and in this case, like I mentioned in the other videos, I'm really looking for the big amount of volume of that day. So in this case, I'm seeing that volume is literally starting here. If I'm going towards an up movement, I see that a lot of volume was traded here. I don't want to be greedy, so I'm aiming for this first spike on the chart. You can see that the most volume was here, but I don't want to put my TP all the way there back to the POC level of the day. I'm aiming here for this spike, because honestly, that would be already like 2R, which is more than enough. Never be greedy. And as you might have seen in my trading style, I'm not looking for many trades a week. I'm looking for the high probability trades, and my SL and my TP are very strict, always based on information that I'm having on the chart, and I just play it out, focusing on the confirmation that I want to get, and just take it with confidence without getting too much emotion of, do I need to put my TP a bit bigger? Do I need to drag my stop loss along? No, I just let it play out, and that's it. So let's play the trade a bit further. As you can see here, price went up like 1.5 R, and then it came all the way down here to almost hitting the stop loss. Like I said, I just keep it on, and I just let it play it out. So after 16 hours, it was hit. I was happy, and I hope the trade makes sense for you. If you want to have like more information about it, don't hesitate to ask the questions in Discord, and yeah, I'll see you all there.